recycled concrete and synthetic turf. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. I want to thank you for following my work. Today I'm going to speak about recycled concrete. Finding a good aggregate for compaction can be confusing to new contractors in the synthetic turf business. Rock plants produce many aggregates for all types of construction. When seeking out a good compaction aggregate for synthetic turf, it is important to understand how that aggregate plays a role in your entire installation. Many synthetic turf contractors have used all types of base material underneath their synthetic turf. Placing base materials that have great compaction qualities is needed for the prevention of settlement after years of use. Decades ago, most turf contractors used road base or type 2 for their compaction materials. Today, rock plants have a variety of materials that can be used under turf that will produce successful results. 3/8- decomposed granite and limestone chat aggregates are most used across the nation due to their capability to reach great compaction numbers while leaving a smooth surface. It is crucial to understand good compaction comes with materials that are clean and free of contamination. Recycled concrete has become a favorite for many turf contractors due to its availability, its price, and the ability to compact. Recycled concrete may be a good choice for some turf installations, but not good for some others. I'll touch more on this later. What is crushed recycled concrete? Concrete is not biodegradable and will not decompose. Crushed recycled concrete is made up of broken debris, usually made of concrete. Crushed asphalt may also be known as recycled concrete. When concrete is demolished from roads, parking lots, and other structures, it is usually dumped in landfills. Recycling crushed concrete reduces landfill and becomes a resource for base materials for synthetic turf contractors. Crushed recycled concrete is great for placing under landscape synthetic turf. It compacts well, it provides great drainage, and gives long-term stability. Rock plants have started crushing and recycling concrete by setting up crushers to sell to the construction industry. Crushed recycled concrete and pet areas. Crushed recycled concrete may be a good candidate as base materials under landscape synthetic turf, but will it perform under pet installations? I do not recommend placing recycled crushed concrete under pet installations. Crushed recycled concrete is not made of aggregate alone. It is a combination of rock, sand, cement, and sometimes fly ash. When concrete is broken up and recycled, fine sand, cement, and other particles remain intact and bonded to the aggregate, which was the cured concrete in the first place. These bonded materials can be very absorbing. Have you ever experienced spilling oil on a concrete driveway which was impossible to remove? Poured in place concrete can be very absorbing, and when concrete is broken up into smaller pieces, these particles can and will absorb pet urine. Dog urine is a concoction of ammonia, bacteria, hormones, and uric acid. As the urine breaks down, the ammonia concentration increases, and then mercaptans, which is the extreme odors, are produced. This is the same chemical compound that gives skunk spray its long-lasting funk. So when crushed recycled concrete is contaminated with pet feces and urine, a disinfectant with enzyme must be used to combat the uric acid in the pet urine, which may cause odors. Recycled concrete residue. Recycled concrete has cementitious particles that may discolor existing decorative colored concrete. The residue that is left behind from importing and grading may be very hard to clean off surfaces. The residue can also be stubborn to remove off turf fibers as well, so please be aware of this. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, JW out.